Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Powerwerx RSPS-30, a powerhouse of a rack-mounted power supply system designed to keep your critical systems running smoothly. Let's talk about redundancy first. The RSPS-30 features a redundant 12V DC output, ensuring that even if one power supply drops out, your operations won't skip a beat. The automatic power selector, APS, constantly monitors output voltage, seamlessly switching over to the backup when needed. That's peace of mind you can count on. But it's not just about reliability. This unit delivers serious power. With a fixed output voltage of 14.1 V and a continuous 25A output, with a surge capacity of 30A, it's ready to handle demanding applications without breaking a sweat. Whether you're running communication systems, land mobile base stations, or even automotive or marine setups, the RSPS-30 has you covered. Installation is a breeze in any 19-inch rack mount setup, taking up just 2U of space. Plus, with convenient test ports via front power pole outputs and rear 1/4-inch binding posts, troubleshooting and maintenance are straightforward. And let's not forget about flexibility. The RSPS-30 can be configured for input voltages ranging from 100-120 VC or 200-240 VC, so you can adapt it to your specific setup without hassle. In summary, if you're in need of a reliable, high-performance power supply solution for your rack-mounted systems, look no further than the Powerwerx RSPS-30. It's a true workhorse that won't let you down when it matters most. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.